So hey everybody, it's TR back with another truck camper renovation video, and in this episode I'm going to be getting things leveled up, get it stabilized. I need to get to this piece of wood right here. This is the rails. It's the base, it's the foundation, it's got to be changed. They're both rotten, and I freely admit that I am struggling to get this thing stable and level. The problem is I've removed so much weight off the top and the front here is that when it's on the jacks, the center of gravity has moved back, and so when you put the jacks down, the camper sags in the rear. When it's sagging in the rear, I don't have enough clearance to get under there to get it leveled out correctly, and so it's causing me all kinds of trouble back and forth getting things level. So what I mean by the center of gravity is, let me show you. If you look right here, I think you can see that. Let me get up there close. That is the center of gravity of the camper. And of course that center of gravity is going to be centered over the center jack tube here. Okay? And so with the front missing and all the weight off the front, this center of gravity has moved probably somewhere back in here. And if you look, you can kind of see how it's kind of sitting down at the back. So this is the next day. I have fought this for about 3 hours yesterday, and it got so hot I finally just threw my hands in the air and said I'll do this tomorrow, and so I'm back to try it again. First thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to get everything jacked up and get all of the blocks and everything out from underneath it, get everything the same height, and see if I can get it to set on the blocks. Now that I had blocking underneath the rails of the jack system here, and so hopefully that'll help me not have to jack it up so high. So we're going to see. So it's always a little scary when you're jacking and moving around this much weight. But things are pretty stable the way I have it set up, particularly when it's on the jacks. So I've rigged up just a couple cables I have here with some alligator clamps on them up to the jack wires. This goes over to the jack tube, the electric jack tube on the other side. And that one goes to this jack tube here. And then I'm just connecting them, you know, positive to negative, negative, positive, depending upon which way I need the jacks to move. Okay, so let's just take this other side down here. I'm not sure which is going to go which way. Yeah, there we go, perfect. All right, that's cleared all the weight off that side. Now we'll do the same thing on this side, and hopefully I get it right. Nope. Okay, so I'm still fiddling with this, but I think I got it sorted now. Alright, so I'm low on this corner, and I'm low on that corner, so I think looks like everything's solid. Solid, solid, solid. All right, how's my level from side to side? That's good. Well, let's check it front to back. Over here. Fucking A. Man, that took a long time. All right, so I feel like I'm almost there, except I'm not happy with this corner block. It's kind of hard to see, but it's leaning this way. I think we look at it down length there, you can see. Let me get back here, take my glasses off so I can see. So it's leaning out a little bit. I'm not happy with that. I'm going to fix it. Okay, so to make sure that I get this jack system back in the exact same spot, this is the BP, this is the center line or the center of gravity of the camper, at least at the middle. And so if I make a notch in that, I'm going to know that it's going to go right back to that spot. All right, so I'm going to try this new titanium metal blade that I bought. It's supposed to cut screws and all that kind of stuff. We'll see if it lasts. They better damn well last. They cost 3 of them were 24 bucks, so the blades are 8 bucks a piece. So they better last. Anyway, here we go.
Today is gonna be a little something more. I've got a plan in mind, a special thing in store. The light bulb inside my head says, get out and play, 'cause you never feel this way. It's my lucky day, it's my lucky day, it's my lucky day, my lucky day. Don't need a pot of gold, a rabbit's foot or to be told. It's my lucky day, it's my lucky day. Slept in, 'cause I don't care, and didn't make the bed. Sip coffee on my couch, what can I do instead? No work, it's only fun, 'cause it's all okay, 'cause you never feel this way. It's my lucky day.
So I've got most of the demolition done. I've got it picked apart, all the rots out of it, at least down below here. I'm going to get this all rebuilt. I'll get started working on rebuilding the frame here early next week. I got to get things covered up and put away, expecting some storms tomorrow. Thunder, lightning, rain, all that kind of crap. So I won't be able to work on it tomorrow, which is just fine. I need to catch up on some videos. So you guys will have some videos to watch.
It's my lucky day. It's my lucky day. It's my lucky day. Don't need a pot of gold, a rabbit's foot or to be told. It's my lucky day. It's my lucky day. It's my lucky day. Don't need a pot of gold, a rabbit's foot or to be told. It's my lucky day. It's my lucky day.
There's still a lot to do on this thing. I mean, am I overwhelmed? Well, maybe a little bit. I'm just, well, not overwhelmed. I guess I'm just kind of going, wow, this is going to be a lot of work. But I knew that was going to be the case when I got into it. So what can I say? If you found value in this video, give me that thumbs up. Always appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Ring the notification bell. A lot of videos still to come on this truck camper rebuild for sure. But for now, it's time to go. Thanks for watching. I sure do appreciate it. Until we get together for another truck camper renovation video, peace.